How to fix the issue of Windows 11 rebooting itself randomly. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of Windows 11 restarting itself randomly. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the command prompt in administrator form and then you need to type scan now. It might take a little time. After the scanning is completed, you will be able to see that all the corrupted files has already been deleted from your device. After that, click on Window plus R and the Run application will open. In the box, you need to type sysdm.cpl. After that, the window of System Properties will open. There you need to choose the option of Advanced from the top menu and go to Settings. Once you click on Setting, you will see the option of Automatically Restart in System Failure. Simply check out that option and click on OK. Now you need to check the memory of your device. So in the Start, simply type Windows Memory Diagnosis and click on Start Now. After you have checked the problem with memory, the last option is to delete all the recent update of Windows. So simply go to Settings and there you will be able to see the option of Uninstall beside the recent updates in your Windows. So delete them and then you are good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Windows 11 rebooting itself automatically. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.